Now I'll be guiding you how to search for articles by typing author names and topic names. For example, if you want to search all the articles written by our editor-in-chief, Dr. Suvarna Khadilkar Madam, you have to go to the journal's homepage and in the search box type her name. So once I type her name, all the articles written by Madam will be seen. As you can see, 25 records have been found. I can download any article that I wish to read in HTML or PDF format. So this is the PDF version of the article. Now, if I want to search for a particular topic, like I want to go through all the Indian data on tuberculosis, I just have to type tuberculosis in the search box and all the articles published in Jogi on tuberculosis can be accessed by me. So here you can see 16 records have been found and I can go and read the full text of all the articles on tuberculosis. Similarly, if I want to access the past issues, which is from 2004 till 2020, then I can click on this link and I'll be directed to all the past issues. I can look for a particular article if I know the particular volume or the issue. However, if I do not remember the issue and the volume, I can still search for it if I type the author's name. Like if I want to read all the articles written by Dr. C.N. Purandare sir, who is the editor emeritus of our journal, then I type his name in the search box and here you can see 44 articles written by Sir can be accessed and they can also be downloaded in the past issues section. Also, all the articles from 1950 to 2003 can also be accessed in the archive section. So I go to the archive section and you can see from 2004 till 1950 all the articles can be accessed. If I don't know the particular volume or the issue, a search box will appear and I have to write that particular author's name in the search box and that article can be accessed. For example, if I want to search the article written by Dr. K. Menon, once I type his name, you can see all the articles from 1954 can be accessed. Suppose I want to read this article of hydrochlorothiazide in the management of preeclamptic toxemia. So I type on this article and you can see this article is written way back in 1961 and I can still have an access to these articles. I can download the full text of the article. So in 1961 our journal used to look like this. So this is the way you can access all the articles from 1950 till current date. Thank you.